you will either be a history or you'll be part of history. ये शायद आपके सीईओ जो थे उस शिप पे शायद किरपान था
Yeah, Kirpan. So yes, so वही I was telling कि you know like first appointment जब जहाज पे गए तो वो डर तो हमेशा सभी को होता है. तो we were you know made to write a letter to our family and एक वो final letter होता है. That's a ritual if you go for a war and all those return. And I could, as I said, emotions बहुत आती हैं. You know that is the time. तभी मैंने realize किया life में जब लाइफ में आप वो एक ऐसे कगार पे होते हो ना, सो यू ओनली रिमेम्बर योर फैमिली, यू रिमेम्बर योर क्लोज फ्रेंड्स, यू नो. उसके सिवा आप कुछ नहीं याद करते हो कि मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं वहाँ हूँ, इतने लोग, मैंने ये अचीव किया, वो अचीव किया. नथिंग. यू ओनली रिमेम्बर दोज क्लोज बॉन्डिंग्स एंड द इमोशंस अटैच्ड टू दैट. सो सेम वाज विद आवर केस. और ट्रेडिशन होती है फौज में कि व्हेन यू जॉइन अ शिप, नेक्स्ट डे एज अ यंग ऑफिसर सीओ के साथ ब्रेकफास्ट करना होता है. And my CEO was a very known person in the command, and उनको टाइगर बोलते थे नाम से ही. very ferocious, बहुत बोलते थे कि like when I was to go to that ship, लोगों ने मुझे बोला यार तू तो जो शिप के सीईओ है, he is a tiger, उसको बहुत डेंजर है, so try to avoid him as far as possible करके, you know, this was the thing I was told. And next day when I was called for breakfast, so मेरे से, so I was the junior most वो जहाज में, सब लेफ्टिनेंट, और एक नीचे एक मिडशिपमैन होता था, you know, who was doing his training to be an officer when he goes. So breakfast में CEO started asking about so many things, like it's a courtesy thing, and what is your ambition and फौज क्यों join किए, all those things. And then सब होने के बाद he asked me also कि do you have a girlfriend? I said yes sir. So then he said do you want to meet her before we go for no? That is the time he broke, we are going for a war zone. एंड होता है ना, बोला कौन मिस करेगा अगर सीईओ सामने से पूछ रहा है. बट देन इट वाज लाइक मुझे मेरा एकदम इमीडिएट सबाल्टर्न ने बोला था यार वो बहुत कुछ पूछेंगे, सबके लिए हाँ मत बोल देना टाइप्स, यू नो. बट आउट ऑफ दिस थिंग आई सेड यस सर, आई वुड लाइक टू, सिंस द शिप वाज बॉम्बे बेस्ड, ही परमिटेड मी आल्सो टू गो एंड सी मॉर्निंग, घर जाके एक बार देख के आ जाओ टाइप्स. And then he said कि you know young man, you are one of those lucky guys. For us, हम लोग फौज इतने साल से ज्वाइन किए, being a commander, I have never seen such scenario, and here in your life तुम आ रहे हो, so I'm sure that this would be a wonderful experience for you. Either you will be part of history or you will be history. So simple, both ways everyone will remember you. And that line remained with me even today. एंड फिर तो बस वो जोश देखना ही था सभी का. सो शिपों में क्या होता है ना, फर्स्ट 7-8 days योर बॉडी नीड एडजस्टमेंट. आप सी सिकनेस बोलते हैं उसको. एंड इफ यू सी किरपान एंड ऑल, इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल शिप, इट्स अ वॉरशिप एंड फ्रंटलाइन वॉरशिप कैरिंग मिसाइल्स एंड ऑल. सो वी नेवर हैड बंक्स आल्सो. ओनली 10 ऑफिसर थे जिसके पास बंक्स थे. हमारे पास बंक्स भी नहीं थे, तो जूनियर मोस्ट. So we used to sleep for first 7 days. There is a compartment in that called pre-launch compartment or the missile compartment. वहाँ पे controls थे, वहाँ AC अच्छा था करके we were told to sleep there. Me and that midshipman, you know, and so both of us used to sleep there 7 days. तो पहला 7 दिन ऐसे था, frankly speaking, मैंने तो नहाया भी नहीं. I didn't take a bath because I was not in a position. क्योंकि आप डेक से ऊपर आओ तो उल्टी वाला सीन होता था. सिर्फ बहुत बार तो जो मेस का जो मेस सेलर होता था हमारा, वो नीचे आके खिचड़ी देके जाता था कि सब ले लो टाइप्स, यू नो. एंड इट वाज अ पीक ऑफ मॉनसून. इफ यू रिमेम्बर, जून जुलाई was peak of monsoon in the Arabian Sea, and so ship used to roll, pitch and all, very tough. 7-8 दिन के बाद जब होश संभला, and then when I started coming up the deck, and it is taken for granted, you know, जब कोई भी शिप ज्वाइन करता है, everyone knows कि 7-8 दिन इसको डिस्टर्ब ना करे, let him settle. And then 8-9 day पे all those things started, and you were in the watch duty, and you know, being an engineer, the electrical aspect, the power generation, because the missiles वगैरह is comes under the electrical officer, being a technical officer. So that was our domain, and so many things dependent on you, because when a weapon is fired, जब वो बटन दबता है, तो it is like that electrical supply has to be there. अगर पता चला कि आपने दबा दिया, वहां तक कनेक्शन ही नहीं आया, तो everything is gone. So what is the point? So we were throughout that maintenance duties and, you know, check duties and this thing. So it was a wonderful experience, wonderful experience. We were very closer. If you would have read about Operation Talwar, there were 30 ships on the mouth of Karachi. And it was just that one political decision which was to come. And war, may see, nobody likes war. War is destruction. It's a destruction of economy, destruction of life. And if we do an war, we go 20 years back. Simple, you know, every one of them. So क्या करते हैं कि everyone tries to avoid it by political talk, diplomatic talk. And then नहीं हुआ तो फिर हम चुप बैठने वालों में से नहीं है, ठीक है, you know. We always believe that the country, we are a country of having patience. But बहुत ज़्यादा छेड़ दोगे तो फिर then as General VP Malik said कि पहला गोली उन्होंने चलाया ना, तो last गोली हम decide करेंगे कि कब बंद करना है. So that was the entire thing. And Pakistan was scared, you know. Let me tell you very frankly, I've seen it very closely. They were scared. उन्होंने अपने जहाजों को बोल दिया, warships और submarines को, कि बाहर नहीं निकलना, because the moment you go out of harbor, anything happen, that 1971 episode will be repeated. ये वाला पूरा ये हो गया. And वो बच गए actually. नहीं तो कराची का, पाकिस्तान का मैप चेंज हो जाता आज without कराची actually में. And I'm not telling out of any sentiments, I'm telling you the factual thing, you know. That was the case. And then the ceasefire happened. Pakistan was left with only 6 days of food grains and fuel and so many things, you know. We built up so much of pressure. And ceasefire happened. And 26 July happened to be the Vijay Divas. Unfortunately, उसके बाद भी बहुत सारे, you know, जैसे ceasefire होने के बाद when the troops withdraw, करीब 4 अगस्त तक चला ये सब, you know. And then we were back to when the ships were withdrawn. And so close to 38 to 40 days I was in that ship. And when everything was done, so we were told that now, you know, we are part of war and, you know, we were in the close zone and all those things. तभी भी मुझे सिग्निफिकेंस इतना नहीं पता चला कि ये क्या लाइफ में ये क्या हो गया करके. आई वाज, वी वर ऑल ओके. जो मेरे बैचमेट्स थे वो बाजू वाले शिप्स में थे, छोटे छोटे शिप्स में, जो ऑल वॉर शिप्स. देन वी ऑल वेंट बैक टू आवर यंग ऑफिसर्स कोर्स. वी डिडंट रियलाइज. Then later, 10 years, जब 7-8 years later, we realized when it was told that when we got our Vijay Star medal, the star wala, so that time we realized, okay, it was something big in our life, you know. And that was the entire experience of a beautiful 10 years of Navy में, that one experience which mattered the most, you know. Yes.
So, sir, ऑपरेशन तलवार का जो सिग्निफिकेंस था कारगिल वॉर के ड्यूरेशन में, तो वो तो हमें समझ में आ गया. बेसिकली ज्यादा राइट अप नहीं है इस ऑपरेशन के बारे में, और कई जगह पे बोलते हैं दिस इज बेसिकली द साइलेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इंडियन नेवी ड्यूरिंग द कारगिल वॉर, क्योंकि एयरफोर्स का भी एक ऑपरेशन था सागर, आर्मी का तो विजय था, तो उसमें बेसिकली नेवी का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन था यूजुअली साइलेंट माना गया था.
Exactly. But Admiral Sushil Kumar had written a book about Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. उसमें he has mentioned, you know, and even General VP Malik के book में उन्होंने एक पेज लिखा है, because he also says that my book is focusing mostly on army, but this is the contribution when Admiral Sushil Kumar was, you know, requested. He was the first one to respond. Sushil Kumar ने तो immediately बोल दिया था कि ठीक है, you know, Navy to be deployed. Air Force took some time. Tipnis, Air Chief Marshal Tipnis was not very, you know, since all the तीनों rank are different, na? They are not a theater command. So General Tipnis, Air Marshal Tipnis took some time to, you know, agree to what VP Malik Sahab wanted. But Admiral Sushil Kumar ने तो immediately बोल दिया था, move the fleets. You know, that was his direction. He was a very dynamic guy. So overall, it was a tri-services effort, but definitely it was a mountain warfare and army, where their army lost 527 plus 1363 people injured, and Air Force lost close to 10 people in that this thing. And as Navy, we are proud that being a silent force, and we were the contributor, you know, we were the contributor in that entire, though we were not at the forefront, but all those who were there in Operation Talwar, we know how significant it was. And every achievements were celebrated whenever we used to receive signal कि आज army ने captured this and this thing. So everyone used to celebrate, you know, small celebration. फिर जब Captain Batra died, so there was mourning. For every martyrs, there was a mourning, you know, whoever died. So that emotions, I still remember being in the wardroom, emotions used to be high down, and being the youngest of the officer, जोश तो पूरा, क्योंकि देखने आगे पीछे कोई था नहीं, बैचलर टाइप्स थे, ठीक है, गर्लफ्रेंड वाज देयर, बट वो जो फैमिली वाली जो फीलिंग होती है वो सिर्फ आई कुड सी जो ऑफिसर्स थे जिसके बच्चे थे, दे यूज्ड टू बी रियली very thoughtful, at the same time full of josh, so this was the entire operation Talwar. Lot of people doesn't know. जब कोई मुझे पूछता है कि सर आप विजय स्टार आपको नेवी में कैसे मिला, तो then when I explain them कि Operation Vijay is popularly known as Kargil, and the tri-services exercise which happened, unfortunately the focus is more on Operation Vijay per se, but there is Operation Talwar and Operation Safed Sagar. And so when the Vijay Star was given, so it was given to everyone who was in the combat zone. That is how the significance. So I would request all those who will be watching your channel to please understand this. And this is an SSB question also. Many a time people will ask you this, what was Operation Talwar? If you're joining, especially INET karke, when you go for a personal interview, they may ask you this. What is the contribution of Navy in 1971 and 1999? So they may ask you this.
So sir, मैंने ऑपरेशन तलवार के बारे में तो पढ़ा है काफी कि किस तरीके से हमने अपने फ्लीट को मूव किया, उसके अलावा जो प्रेशर हमने डाला था पाकिस्तान की तरफ, उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे कंट्रीब्यूशन है, जैसे कि नेवल के जो एयरक्राफ्ट थे वो भी यूज हो रहे थे उसी ड्यूरेशन में, और शायद हमारे जो मरीन कमांडोज थे वो भी एक्शन पे थे, तो काफी सारी चीजें की गई थी नेवी के द्वारा उस टाइम पे। लेकिन एक और ऑपरेशन है जिसमें आप इन्वॉल्व थे, जो कि ऑपरेशन पराक्रम, तो उसके बारे में बताएंगे?
Exactly. Happened in 2001 again. It was जैसे 99 से हमने कारगिल के बाद things didn't ease easily, because वो अभी हमने वो ज़हन में ले लिया था कि the genesis of that, the Lahore agreement which happened March 99, जब हमने लाहौर बस किया और गले मिल रहे थे, वाजपेयी साहब वहाँ गए, met नवाज शरीफ. So 99 was an experience for all of us. Kargil war. हमें पता था ये धोखे लोग हैं, ये धोखेबाज हैं करके. Now we can't believe them, And then the entire, if you see the pattern of that, if you study the defense strategies, so Pakistan में political situation, if you see, it is dominated by the armed forces. वहाँ army decides, their prime minister and their. So वहाँ democracy के नाम पे it's just democracy की तो पूरी धजिया है वहाँ पर. So 2 years we were monitoring very closely, and that was the time funded by the terrorists were funded, and like it happened pura. So there was a major attack on the civilian population, on the army base, and that was the time when Parakram happened. Parakram mein the entire movement started happening. So पुराने पिक्चरों में देखोगे ना, तो आर्मी की ट्रक्स जा रही है and civilians are standing on the road saluting. So I experienced all those things when I was part of that, when we were moving. So later on, like after ship and after training, so I am specialized in the weapons and missiles, as my trade. So lot of these movements happened, and we were part of that military train which was moving this, and you could see that first-hand feeling of people. So I was in a place where everything was moved, and I could see the entire operation, the logistics involved. And जब हम बोलते हैं ना war as a civilian, as a politician, as a general opinion builder on social media, कि ठोक दो चाइना को ठोक दो. So, but you don't realize the importance of logistics, the importance of the entire planning and conduct is so huge. It's not easy. It's not at all easy. We may easily say कि ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, but mind you, it's so the planning is so difficult. And yes, we almost reached a stage of war, and again due to the diplomatic talks and pressure and US involvement, and then the international countries get involved, and then that's why nothing happened during that time. So the code name for that entire exercise was Operation Parakram. And yes, I was lucky again to be part of that from the front. This time in a senior role, much senior role